It is a complete course project. Please learn them in order. This is part 9, composition. Okay, now it's the final part. So we want to comp our render images in After Effects. So go to File and choose Import and choose File and go to your destination folder. First you want to import your original footage. Go to Source Images, go to Original Footage, select on this image, click on JPEG sequence and click Open. So see here, it will be set to 35 fps. So my camera fps is 25. So right click and choose Interpret Footage and choose Main. Here you want to choose 25 fps. So and time code to 0 start from 1. So that means it will start from 1. So drag this footage over new comp. So that means you will be automatically created. So control click on this time code. So that means it will switch to time code and frames. See here, when you click on control click on this time code, it will be switched to time code, and you control click on this time code, it will be switched to frames. So I want time code. You want to click on control click over here. So that means it will switch to time code. So then I want to import my color paths. So go to File and choose Import and choose File. Go to your source images folder. In here we have two folders. So you want to choose first color. Select on first image, click on this Targa sequence and click Open. So here you want to choose straight animated. So like this for our color pass. Click OK. So you want to convert this also 25 fps. So right click and choose Interpret Footage and choose Main. Here you want to give 25. Click on this one and it will start from 0 1 and click OK. So now drag this footage all the way to here in timeline. You want to keep this layer above to your image sequence. So then I want to import my occlusion pass. So go to File and choose Import and choose File. So go to your images folder. Here I want to go inside my occlusion pass. Select on first image, click on Targa sequence and click Open. So and choose here, you want to choose pre-multiply matted with color. So and click OK. So now I right click on this footage and choose Interpret Footage and choose Main. So this also 25 fps and start from first frame and click OK. So drag this footage all the way to up. So for you want to place above your color pass. So here you want to change this blending mode to normal to multiply. So sometimes it will not visible. So you want to click on this toggle switch. So it will came. You want to change this occlusion pass mode to multiply. So now it will be perfect. So now I want to color correct this footage. So drag this intro to match move footage over here. So composition, you want to drag this over to another footage. So new composition. So drag this composition to new composition. So that means you got only a single layer. So I will go to FX color correction. So here you want to choose CC toner. So I want to give highlights to blue, very light blue, and you want to midtones to also light blue, so dark blue, sorry. So now I want to give blend with original. So you want to give at least 85%. So and press enter. So that means it will blend with our original color. So after that, go to FX color correction and choose brightness contrast. Here you want to increase the contrast amount, so to 10, so like this. So now I want to increase my brightness up to 5, so like this. So now I want little bit contrast, so I will give 15. So now you got over here, so I want to give blend with the original to 80%, so like this. So that's it, that's the our final output. So now we want to make, see here I will scrub through. So now I want to make final render to view my output. Go to file, export and choose add to render queue. So here I want to click on lossless, I want to choose QuickTime. So this is my best quality format. So in After Effects, so I will give QuickTime and click OK. So click on this introduction to match move. So I want to choose my desktop. So I will choose introduction to match move underscore final. So like this. So and click save. So now I click render button. Okay, now that's the end of our composition. So go to your desktop, you want to check this one. So right click, open with VLC. That's it, that's the end of the course. I hope you like it. Click the subscribe button to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you subscribe, you never miss any updates on my YouTube channel. I came up with new creative production project every week. Thank you for spending valuable time with me. I see you later on some other project.